Assalamu alaikum, Shabab. Brothers are here.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Jazakallah. Thank you very much. So let's start, brother. Welcome all the brother for today's lecture, inshallah. So if you guys remember, mashallah, know a lot of brothers they are writing. We were here last week. This is the ratio control, and we have here 1 liter always, and this is 2 liter. Ratio control. So feed 1 always 1 liter and feed 2 always 2 liter. So what we think? We think somebody asked us, to save the money and make a system so that we can remove some controllers, remove something to save the money. We said, okay, no problem, we can try. So what we did, we removed this control valve, we removed this I2B converter, we remove the controller and make this line like this. And we put here a signal calculator. Signal calculator. And this signal calculator, we bring this signal to it, and output of this signal calculator we bring here as a set point. This is F1. This is now the set point here. This is one solution. So what we did, we removed the control valve here, we removed the I2B converter, we removed the controller, and we make this line wild. Now this line is wild. What is the meaning of wild, Shabab? What is the meaning of wild? Brother Ali is writing open. It is not open. It is, you can say it is uncontrolled. 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 Like a lot of brothers, they have seen the Geographic Channel. So there is wild animals. So they are not controlled. They are open in the jungle. So this is open. There is no control. This is, on the other hand, this is still controlled. This stream is still controlled. It has controller, it has sensor, everything it has. Right, Shabab? So this is one of the solution. And what is the name of the solution, Shabab? What is the name of the solution? What is the name of the scheme?
Cascade.
No, it is not cascade, it is ratio control. But this is special. In ratio control, it is special. Ratio relay, very good. Brother Hassan is answering very good. Its name is ratio relay control, like this. Right, Shabab? So its name is ratio relay control. It has several advantages, it has several disadvantages, and those are mentioned in our book. So they are mentioned here. If you see, they are mentioned there, advantages and disadvantages. Nowadays, we already know that controller is not just controller. Controller is a complete computer. Right, Shabab? Controller is a small mini computer. So why we are putting the signal calculator separate? Why don't we just add one instruction? Because what the signal calculator will do? This signal calculator say if 1 liter is here, signal is coming, double it, make it 2 liter, multiply by 2. It is just a multiply, right? So why don't we put one instruction in the controller? Okay, take this signal directly. This signal take directly, right? And inside multiply with 2. Right, Shabab? Inside multiply with 2 and use it. So PV is coming from this side. This is PV is coming. This set point is coming. Multiply it with 2 and use it. This is output, Shabab. This is not PV. Sorry, this is not PV. This output. This is PV. So this is PV is coming from the transmitter. Output is going to the wall. This is set point. So whatever this value is coming, multiply it with 2 and use it. You want to change the name of the controller, you want to change, you want to keep the same name, no problem. So, what is the name of this scheme, Shabab? What is the name of this scheme? Yeah, Shabab.
Ratio.
What is the name of this scheme? Ratio. What? Relay is before the last scheme with the signal calculator. Now we remove the signal calculator. Now what is the name?
Ratio control. Same. Without.
Flow fraction control now. Flow fraction. Flow fraction control. Shabab with me? Now what is the name of the scheme? Flow fraction control. Yeah, Shabab. Any question up to here? Again, this scheme has its own advantages, own disadvantages. Those are mentioned in the book. I already wrote in the book, Alhamdulillah. Another scheme is there. Actually, we have 4 schemes. So the third scheme is there. Okay, what the scheme is saying, you bring the signal calculator back. Signal calculator is there. Take this signal into signal calculator. Take this signal also to the signal calculator. Both, this is also PV from this transmitter, this is PV from this transmitter, and output of the signal calculator give it as a set point. Right, Shabab? So now what will happen? Now this signal calculator is, this signal is also coming to this signal calculator. This signal is also going to this signal calculator, and this one now output of the signal calculator is coming as PV, and the set point we are giving the controller. So now, for example, if this is this signal calculator is work as what now, Shabab? It will multiply, divide, compare what?
Divide, I guess.
How?
Because one is 2 and the other will be 1, something like that.
See here, this is coming from here 1 liter, right? Here some amount is coming. Imagine some amount is coming, X liter. So how it will decide? We need to open it more or close it more. How? How it will divide and get this thing? So it will add, subtract, compare. What it will do? Or divide, as you are saying. Compare. Brother Ali is writing compare. Very good. It will compare, right? And compare is what? Compare. Logically, we compare. If this one is bigger, so it will open the valve more. If this one is smaller, it will close the valve more. Right, Shabab? So here 1 liter, it should be 2 liter. So this signal will be compared with the double of this signal. Right? So whichever signal it, for example, here instead of 1 liter, it is flowing, imagine 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. So it should be now how much? 3 liter. Then it will open the valve more, like this. So this is another solution. So in this solution, what we are doing? We are bringing both the PVs, this PV, flow indicator transmitter 2 to the signal calculator, this PV flow indicator transmitter 1 to the signal calculator. Output of the signal calculator we are taking as PV, because now this controller does not have any other PV. Set point we are giving it, and it is opening and closing this valve depending upon this. So this is third scheme. Any question for here, Shabab? Any question for this scheme? Yeah, brother Ali is asking what is the name? It is like what is its name? The first scheme we discussed, ratio relay controller, like ratio relay controller, you know. But again, it is also mixing two other inputs in it. So it has like both advantages. It is also taking this value, also this value. So it is at the end, its name is same, ratio relay control. But again, in this ratio relay control, the second type one, we are bringing both the signals to the signal calculator. Yes, Shiva, any other question, please?
Hope now.
Sorry?
I hope there is no.
No question, that's good, mashallah. So everybody is mashallah understanding everything. Right? Now, one thing it is comparing. The other possibility, now I'm thinking, as the brother Zahri told, it can divide. Could be. It could be divided. Brother Zahri is also, up to some extent, is correct. It could divide also. It could also subtract. You know, whichever, for example, we can say it is this value minus this value. If it is greater, right, open this one. If it is lesser, close the valve. So depending upon our design, instructional design in this controller, it can do a lot of things, right, Shabab? So mainly it can compare, but I thought the brother Zahri is also saying correct. It can also divide, you know. And if we think more, little more, it also can subtract. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Now the fourth scheme is little, you can say, different. So for this scheme, we need to pay a little more attention. So everybody try to pay more attention, Shabab. This scheme also analyze and also do the ratio. It is doing both. So this is our tank as usual. The agitator is there. This is 1 liter. This is 2 liter. We are saying, and here these both streams, feed 1 and feed 2, they are being mixed, and this is the output of the tank. Another feed, right, Shabab? From this feed, we take analyzer, indicator, transmitter. That is analysis. Is it really 1 liter? Is it really 2 liter? It will analyze. It will send signal to the analyzer indicator controller. This analyzer indicator controller, Shabab, we have given a set point, right? Output of this controller will go. Output of this controller will go the signal calculator, right, Shabab? And this signal calculator also getting signal from here. And output of this signal calculator will go to the set point for this controller. Now this set point is no more there. So now what is going on? Imagine this is 1 liter of water is there. This 2 liter milk is there. Very simple things we can imagine. It is being mixed here in this tank. Here, one guy is standing. One man is standing. Who is testing it? Who is testing it? Okay. If milk is more, then open the water more. If water is more, then open the milk more. So whichever thing is less, it will analyze. Whichever thing is less or more, then it will open send the signal to the controller as a PV. So this will be PV for this controller. This is the output of the controller. Output of this controller will come to this signal calculator. This signal calculator is there. And this signal is also coming to this signal calculator. This is signal of this transmitter from this line. So this signal calculator will calculate according to the settings and give the output as a set point to this one. This is PV from here. Yes, Shabab. Some brother was asking the question. Yes, please.
The signal coming from flow indicator transmitter to the calculator, is it PV
Yes.
or what? The name of signal?
Sorry, it is what?
PV? Is it named PV or what?
See, this signal, no, we cannot say it is PV. It is just the signal of this transmitter. It is process variable for this line. You can say this is the process variable for this line. But PV in the sense, because it is not going to any controller, it is going to the signal calculator. This is not controller, this signal calculator. So you can say it is just a signal. From this right now, what is the process variable here? Because normally when we say PV, we say in sense it is the coming to the controller. You get my point? So because it is not controller, you can say it is PV, you can say it is just a signal coming from this transmitter. That is the current value, the present value of the fluid in this line.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Now, for example, this thing you cannot say it is set point for the signal calculator. You cannot say that. It is again, it is not controller, it is just a calculator. And Brother Zahri, you already have seen the calculator. So it is just a calculator. So you cannot say it is set point to the calculator. No, calculator we already adjusted. Take this signal, two signals are coming to the signal calculator and one is out. So for example, we have asked it, as you said, divide, or we ask him compare these two signals, or we ask the signal calculator, we put the settings, subtract of these. So it is like this. So any other brother has any question, Shabab? Name. Brother Ali is asking, mashallah, name again. Brother Ali is behind the names, right? Ratio, relay, with remote input. Which one is the remote input here? The remote input is coming from where?
Analysis.
Very good. Okay, now Shabab, I have one question. This cascade?
Again?
Is it cascade, Shabab?
No.
Output of this analyzer indicator controller is going to the signal calculator. Is it cascade? That's good. Lot of brother they're writing. Brother Ali wrote the first. It is not cascade. It is just a calculator. It is not controller. To be cascade, the output of one controller should go as a set point to other controller. Then it is cascade. So are with me? If you want cascade, mean what? Output of one controller is going as a set point to another controller. Again, it is not a controller, it is signal calculator, just taking two signals. That's what I'm saying. You wanna say this is PV, you can say, but again, for the signal calculator, it is just a signal. You want to say this output of the controller, you can say, but for the signal calculator, it is just a signal. So it is taking two signals according to your instructions. As an engineer, according to your instructions, it is telling, okay, calculate this, and it is giving the output signal. That's it. It does not know it is PV, it does not know it is output, does not know anything. It is just a calculator. As you use the calculator, calculate the values, give them. That's it. So are with me? So there is no cascade here, nothing. Allah brother with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. That's good. Lot of brother they are writing. Yes, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna improve it a little bit. We're going to change it a little bit, and we're going to make a little more complex according to field applications. Because before now we are discussing very small applications, just one by one. Now we'll make a little field application. Normally it is implemented like this. So what we do, we bring these two lines here and we mix them here. Right, Shabab? This is still 1 liter, this is 2 liter, and we take it into the same silo. It has a motor there that is agitating, mixing it. Okay, Shabab? This has also level indicator transmitter that is sending signal to the level indicator controller. Right, Shabab? This controller is this one. We make flow indicator controller here. One. No, it is no more wide. There is a valve here. I2P is there. Output of this controller we are bringing here as a set point, and this is M. And what we are doing here, we are putting a signal calculator here again. This thing also we are bringing here, this signal from this transmitter we are bringing here. Right, Shabab? And one we are putting here analyzer. Analyzer indicator transmitter, that is sending signal to the analyzer indicator controller. Right, Shabab? And it has a set point here. This one also have a set point here. Output of this controller we are taking to this signal calculator, and output of this signal calculator we are bringing here. Yes, Shabab. All the brother with me? Shabab with me?
Yes,
Yes.
with you,
That's
teacher.
good.
Yeah.
They are writing yes. Now what this system is doing? If you see, this is looking very complex, but when we analyze it, inshallah it will be very simple. You forget everything else. Start from here. Feed 1 is there, its transmitter is there, controller is there, I2P converter valve is there. This feed 1. Then feed 2 is there, transmitter is there, controller is there, I2P converter is there, valve is there. Right, Shabab? Okay. Then there is these both the feeds we are analyzing. We put a analyzer transmitter here, analyzer controller, set point is there, output of this controller we are bringing to the signal calculator. And this transmitter signal we are also bringing to the signal calculator. This is second thing. Third thing, this tank has a level indicator transmitter, level indicator controller, and output of this we are bringing here. So first of all, put M, PV, SP and get the first with signal flow. Whoever put it first, he will get the first, Shabab. Yes, Shabab. Put PV, SP, M, signal flow on the diagram, get the first. Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yes, somebody is trying.
Yes, I am trying now, teacher. Yes.
That's good. That's good. Now a lot of brothers they are writing. Yes, we are trying. Okay, please try. Yeah, Shabab. Yeah, Shabab. Somebody is trying.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, please do fast, Shabab. Do fast. Lot of brothers now writing. Yes, they are trying, but please do fast.
I finished, teacher.
Yes, please show me. Make it clear. Make it near the camera. Tell me your ID, brother Hasri. Tell me your ID. Minimum you try.
39
Please tell me your ID.
3919
39
19
19.
0
Yes, brother. Please tell me. 3919
3919
01948. Okay. 1948. Okay, I got it. I got it, inshallah. Okay, Shabab, please see here. This signal is right or left?
Right, teacher.
Right, that's good. PV or
PV.
SP what?
PV.
PV. This is
Out.
M already there. This is SP already there. This up, down,
Up. PV.
up. PV. Very good.
And
Here,
left.
up or down?
And left for SC, I guess.
Up or down? This one.
Down. SP.
Down, already there. SP. This one, left or right?
Left.
Left. M. This is already P there, M is there. So this one, up or down?
Up with PV.
Up. PV. Very good. This is
Right. And
M. Okay. Now, what it is doing, Shabab? Who gonna tell us what it is doing? This system is doing what? Yeah, Shabab.
feedback or what again?
Sorry?
Doing mix with feedback, I guess.
It is doing two things. It is doing two things. Number one, it is bringing here this stream. It is bringing here and controlling the level. It is mixing or not, we don't care. This is, I just put. We care about the control. What it is controlling. The mixing was not in the control. That was not in our control. That is separate control. So just remove it. It is controlling the level of this tank, this silo. It is controlling the level. If level is more than the set point, it will send signal to the controller. Controller will send a signal to this flow indicator controller. Right, Shabab? And it will close this valve. One control is up to here. Right, Shabab? Now, as soon as this valve will be closed, this signal will get reduced. This flow here will reduce. This signal is coming to the signal calculator. So according to the setting, this stream also will get reduced. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Brother with me? Okay, a lot of brothers they're saying yes, that's good. Second thing it is doing, it is analyzing. For example, this is salt, this is sugar. So we are mixing it. So it is analyzing. It is more salt or more sugar, right? So what it is doing, it is analyzing here, sending signal here. If imagine this is sugar is more, then it will ask open this one. So analyzer is coming here to the signal calculator. Now this signal calculator is also getting signal from here. This, how much flow is there? Depending upon this flow and this analysis, it is giving the output for this controller. Imagine this stream is more, so it will ask this controller open more this valve. If this stream is less, it will ask this controller to close this valve more. So it is doing two things. One is level control with respect to feed 1 and feed 2. And the second is analysis control with both the streams. Now, how many cascades are there and how many ratios are there, Shabab?
We have one cascade, and we have
One cascade, how many master and how many slave in one cascade?
one
We have
master.
two, right? We have one master,
One master and how
teacher.
many slave?
Two
Okay.
slaves.
One also.
And how many slave?
I think one.
One master, one slave. Which one is the master?
One.
Which one? Level.
Level.
Very good. Level indicator controller is the master controller. And which one is the slave controller?
Flow indicator controller.
Which one? 2 or 1 or 2?
One.
Two, teacher.
1. So flow indicator controller 1 is slave. Level indicator controller is master. The primary variable is level. Secondary variable is the flow. Right, Shabab? Any other system is there?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Which one?
Ratio,
Which
teacher.
one the other? Ratio.
Uh,
Ratio. Which one? Brother Ali is also writing ratio. Which ratio? You were asking me the name. Now tell me the name. Which ratio is this?
Ratio relay, I guess.
No.
Ratio relay with what?
With analysis.
Ratio relay. Remote. You know remote control. Yeah, very good. No, he's input from a distance. Remote, TV remote, air conditioner remote. So remote mean give the input from a distance. So this input is coming from the distance. Right, Shabab?
Fine.
Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. With the ratio remote controller, which feed is wild and which feed is controlled?
The wide is the signal calculator.
Wild, F1 is wild or F2 is wild? F1 is controlled or F2 is controlled? With respect to ratio,
It's 2, I guess.
with respect to ratio control, which one is wild? Very good. Brother Ali saying F1. Very good. F1 is wild. With respect to ratio control, F1 is wild and F2 is controlled.
Teacher,
With respect to Shabab, something is going on with the internet. Somehow, if we disconnect, inshallah, we will connect again. So please, because the internet is not very stable here. So somehow, if we disconnect, inshallah, I will try my best to reconnect again, inshallah, because the internet is getting unstable again and again. Once again, Shabab,
Teacher.
with respect to, yes, please.
how can you determine, teacher, F1 or F2?
Sorry.
How can you determine? How can I determine, teacher, F1 or F2 or F2? Teacher, I forget this one.
No problem. You just read again and ask again. No problem. No problem. You read and ask again. No problem. Let me
Okay,
just
I
say it again. With respect to
Why,
ratio
teacher?
control. Shabab. Sorry.
How I can determine F1 is wild?
See here. With respect to just the ratio control, I'm talking just ratio control. F1, we are just getting this signal. We cannot control it with respect to ratio. So that's why it is wild. Here, this output of this signal calculator is coming here. So we can control it. The wall is there, everything is there. So this is controlled. Again, with respect to ratio remote control, we are saying, if you say the level, then both are controlled. Shabab with me? So why we are saying just with the respect to ratio. With
Yes.
respect to ratio, this is wild, this is controlled. You get the answer?
Yes, I get the answer, teacher.
That's good. Any other question, please? Again, Shabab, the advantages and the disadvantages of all the schemes are written in the book. So every scheme has its advantages and disadvantages. Please study them. You can see why we put the signal calculator, what is its advantage, what is its disadvantage, technically and also management wise. Now we have, Shabab, very famous to select elements.